Hello everybody, my name is George from Max Photo Video, and today I'll be talking to you a very special little thing that I've got in the palm of my hand here. This is the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and enthusiasts and professionals alike will love this. You might be wondering, what's the fuss about this new drone, given it's the fourth iteration? So what's new about it? Well, let me tell you. It's super light as per usual. This is the Mini, so 249 grams, meaning it stays underneath all regulations and you can take it with you pretty much everywhere. Not only that, but also this benefits of an amazing camera, which can shoot 4K 60 FPS in HDR, 4K 100 FPS in slow motion, and it also has active tracking. This drone will be basically your companion, your best friend whenever you're traveling anywhere. Right now I'm in the center of London, and behind me I've got some skyscrapers, and I might be able to show you a couple of things with them. Another really interesting thing about this drone is that you get up to 20 kilometers of range from your remote to drone. So if you're out in the open field in somewhere like the Peak District or Scotland or wherever you are, you can use this drone up to 20 kilometers and you won't lose track of it, which is quite impressive given how small it is and how small the remote is, because obviously it's the Mini, so it's a compact setup. But yeah, you get quite a big boy range from such a little thing. With such a high range, you might be wondering, am I not going to crash into something at some point? Because obviously I cannot really see the drone anymore if it's 20 kilometers. However, DJI have thought of this, and it's got anti-collision systems, 4D anti-collision. So whatever it is, it knows what it needs to do to avoid crashing into things. It's got cameras and sensors all over the body, and I've tested it out. I've flown inside the house, around trees, in parks, in the city. Hasn't crashed into anything yet. Mainly because of the drone, not my skills as a pilot. So I'll give that to DJI. As I've mentioned, this has true vertical shooting capabilities. And by that I mean the drone will not shoot vertical and then crop and show you the cropped image. No, the actual camera itself will turn and shoot vertical for those spicy Instagram or TikTok reels. So yeah, I think for content creators and Instagram gurus, this is the best thing you can purchase if you like a drone, because you don't need to crop, it won't crop for you, and you get true 4K vertical footage, which you can play around as much as you want, and you got all the resolution, all the megapixels, everything. So it's quite a good thing if you're into vertical videography. The thing that impressed me the most about this drone is the fact that it shoots 10-bit video out of this small sensor, and also raw photos. So as a photographer and videographer, whenever I take this around, there's no problems about, editing JPEGs, because we all know editing JPEGs is a pain. However, when you shoot raw and 10-bit, it's a game changer, because the footage from this looks so crispy. Not only that, but also you can shoot during the night, because you've got a special night video mode and photo. And honestly, the footage looks amazing. It looks like it was shot on 1 inch or more sensor. I don't know what DJI did to this, but I'm a fan. And not only are you going to be able to shoot at night or during the day or 20 kilometers away, you also get over 30 minutes of battery time and flight time on this drone. So plenty of time for you to get that buttery B-roll that you so want from a drone. Plenty of space, and especially if you get the extended package for the drone, the Fly More package, you can actually bump that to over an hour with extra battery. So pretty good deal for that. So as you can see, we'll move to a different side of the town right now. We are in the Olympic Park in London, where the Olympic Games were held a while back. And what a better place for me to show you how good the color accuracy and reproductions of this camera than here. We've got green grass, the sun is shining nicely, we've got trees, we've got buildings, we've got everything, just so I can show you guys how good the reproduction of the colors is on this little thing. While I'm here, I also want to showcase to you how compact this is. So you can probably see this in my hand. I'm just going to take out my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I mean, look at this. It's basically the same footprint as an iPhone. It's quite amazing. I'm just going to put both of them in my pockets, and yeah, off I go. See you later. I'm not going anywhere just yet because I haven't told you about the best feature of this drone, feature that I personally think it's the best, which is the active tracking. This drone will let you fly it up in the air, select your target, which can be an object like a car, a person, I don't know, a group of people, whatever it is. You can select it in the application, and then the drone will not only just track the object, the vehicle, let's say, it will also be able to circle it, do a bunch of maneuvers, so you can get smooth cinematic shots with just one person. This drone will also satisfy the needs of all the color freaks out there like myself, because as I mentioned, it shoots raw quality images and D-Log in 10-bit. Let me repeat that, 10-bit on this thing. Look at it, it shoots 10-bit video. So that means you can color grade your videos to a T. It's amazing. If you're somebody who enjoys, you know, playing with a dynamic range, using multiple LUTs, whatever, this will do you so much justice. And also, being so small and fairly cheap and affordable for what it delivers, there's no more excuses for you not to shoot amazing quality. As you can see, guys, this little thing will do justice to just about everybody out there. If you enjoy shooting video, photo, whatever it is, it will pretty much be your best friend wherever you go. To recap a little bit about the drone, 249 grams, super lightweight, 4K video, HDR, slow motion, night mode, active tracking, and quite a long battery life for such a compact little package. So if you're in the market to get yourself your first drone perhaps, or something that you can take with you in the airport and you know, flights, maybe just a little backpack when you go traveling somewhere, you don't want to carry a big drone, this will do you just fine. And not only just fine, it will probably be, as I said, your best friend on the trip, because it will track you around, get you that buttery smooth D-Log footage, 10-bit color reproduction. So yeah, honestly, as far as compact drones go, my bet is on this one. And that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. My name is George. I've been shooting for Wex today, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.